So we removed all the rot here. You see it's all gone. And then we pulled all the nails out of the top of these spindles, and so now we're going to go through, and we already nailed this on. We did caulk the other side, but now we're going to caulk all these. Oh, I did a bunch of scraping too. Can't get all of it off, but definitely better. I tried to break off any drips that were on the edges too. Just look better if they're not there. Got a slight one right here, but not too bad. So I'm going to do a little caulking, and then we need to cut some more right here so that we can tie these together better. And you can see there's some rot there yet, going in about 1 inch, so I at least have to take a layer off into here, or maybe I take the full thing and then put a spacer in here and tie it together that way. But over here it feels solid, but there's still rot here, so I want to pull more of this off. Well, I'm going to do some caulking right now before lunch.